Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to convert your image from one resolution to the other. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this website I found, DeepFakeMaker.io, and once you sign in, you'll be brought to a page like this where all you have to do to convert your image from one resolution is to click on this image AI here. Once you click on the image AI option, it brings a drop down list for you. So just click on the AI image to image section here, and then you'll be brought to a page like this. Here you can upload your original image here, and then proceed to give it the prompt you want, and also choose your image ratio. So what this image to image does is to convert your original picture to the type of image you want it to convert to. So you can always use ChatGPT to get your good prompt here. So you can also put into ChatGPT the exact prompt you want to convert your original image to, and then select your image ratio and then click on generate now. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.